All right, so I have this 13-in-1 tool. So it comes with a case. It's got the belt loop on it. Pretty awesome. It is a hammer. We'll get to that in a second. But you have a pair of pliers, pair of wire snips on that end. And then on this side, you have a bunch of different tools. So you have a flathead screwdriver and a knife. And then you have a bottle opener and another flathead screwdriver. And also a can opener. And then the last tool on there is a Phillips head screwdriver. Pretty wild. And they are locking, so when it goes into place, that does lock. And then that is basically your release on that. And back to does it hammer. Absolutely. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.